Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to be making a facial scrub. Now I'm making this facial scrub so you can use it to get rid of dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This facial scrub is loaded with omega-3. It also contains antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and even some vitamin E. Now this facial scrub will help to exfoliate your skin. It also will unclog those clogged pores. If you have blackheads and whiteheads, it's going to help to clear those up, and it also will help to clear spots and blemishes from your skin. So if you're looking for a homemade facial scrub that is going to get the job done, this video is for you. So continue watching.
Now take a look at our first ingredient. Here I have some pomegranate, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to extract the pomegranate seeds. And take a look, here is the fresh pomegranate seeds, and what I'm going to do with the pomegranate seed, I'm going to be extracting the juice from the pomegranate seed. Now this is not very easy to do. However, you can choose to blend it, or you can choose to take a cheesecloth, pound on it, and just squeeze the juice. Today I'm going to be blending mine. So what I'm going to use is a quarter cup of the pomegranate seeds. I'm going to place this in the blender. Do not add any water to this, just blend as is. Now, while we are blending, let us take a look at some of the many benefits of pomegranate. Being rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants, pomegranates help delay the signs of aging. The antioxidant also fight skin inflammation and treat acne breakouts and dark spots. They also naturally brighten the skin. So after blending, I am going to strain with a strainer. You can also choose to use a cheesecloth. If you want more juice, just use more pomegranate seeds. What I'm using here is just for one treatment. So just take the back of a spoon and just press on the pomegranate seeds, and here you can see the juice releasing. Here we have our fresh pomegranate juice. Do not use the store-bought pomegranate juice unless it's 100% pure juice, because it's going to contain preservative, which is what you do not need in this recipe. And now let's move on to our next ingredient, which is coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for softening the skin and help to do away with dry, flaky skin. It also helps to lock moisture in the skin. And when mixed with the other ingredient in this recipe, it's going to create a moisturizer for the skin. When you get rid of the dead skin cells from your skin is not going to feel dry at all, but soft, supple, and moisturized. Here I'm using the solid. The liquid is also fine. It's basically the same thing. Now let's move on to the next ingredient. The next ingredient is rose water. If you do not have rose water for this recipe, you can substitute with some green tea. You can even use some coffee liquid in this recipe. Now rose water helps to hydrate the skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce redness or irritated skin. It also helps to get rid of acne and eczema. It is a great cleanser and aid in removing oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. So it's a perfect ingredient for this facial scrub. And now take a look at our next ingredient. This is baking soda, and we're using baking soda because of its exfoliating properties. The granules in the baking soda is perfect for this recipe since it's going to help to get rid of the dead skin cells. It's going to clean those pores out, get rid of all that built up in the pores, get rid of the dead skin cell in the pores, clear the skin of the dry and flakiness, and just leave the skin soft, supple, and glowing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the ingredients together. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the baking soda. You can choose to double up on the ingredient if to make more. Now baking soda exfoliate the skin, as I just mentioned earlier, soften, moisturize, and clean the skin. It may also help to brighten dull skin. Next, we're using 1 teaspoon of the coconut oil. If you're using the liquid, go ahead and use 1 teaspoon. And now that we have this, we're moving on to the pomegranate juice. And I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the pomegranate juice. And we're pouring this in. You can choose to add a little more if you want to. And now we are just going to blend all the 3 ingredients together. We're blending. Now for this recipe, you can choose to substitute the coconut oil, use olive oil, avocado oil, almond oil, or if you have oily skin, you can choose to use some grapeseed oil instead. Okay, and now take a look at this. Here we have our coconut pomegranate facial scrub. This facial scrub is great for most skin type. You can use it to get rid of large pores, blackhead, dull skin. You can use it to lighten and brighten the skin. You can also use it when you are looking for just a quick pick-me-up for glowing skin. So the fact that I have a little leftover pomegranate juice, what I'm going to be doing to use with this facial scrub is to make a quick and easy facial toner. So I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the pomegranate juice. And next I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the rose water. You can substitute the rose water with some green tea, or you can even substitute it with some coffee liquid. And now here we have our 2 steps. We have our facial scrub and we have our facial toner. Now I'm going to show you how to use both on your skin for best result. So here we have our baking soda, pomegranate and coconut oil, and you just want to dip in and you're going to exfoliate the skin. And this smells really great. Granules are very fine, so it's giving you a really nice scrub. Now, as you know, I love using the baking soda and coconut oil on my skin, but with the added benefit of the pomegranate juice, which is filled with antioxidant, vitamin C, and all these wonderful nutrients that is going to boost your collagen production and going to brighten and lighten your skin at the same time. It makes for a wonderful complete scrub. Don't forget to focus also on your nose, where you tend to have blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, now once this is done, and go down on your neck. Once this is done, you want to rinse off with some warm water. Now here's my skin after step 1. You could see how bright, how glowing my skin is. And now I'm going to move on to step 2. So after exfoliating and rinsing your face, you're going to use your pomegranate and rose water. Dip your cotton in, soak it up, and just use it to wipe your face. This is acting as a facial toner, which is going to cool the skin, smooth the skin, and it is also going to help your skin to look fresh and radiant. Okay,
So there you have it. Such an amazing combination of ingredients. If you have these ingredients, do not hesitate to try this facial scrub because it is simply amazing. Okay, use it for a week or 2 and then come back and share your thoughts. Comment. And if this was your first time watching and you want to see more of these videos, then what you can do, you can actually hit the subscribe button at the end of the video in red and you will be subscribed. Also, if you really like the video and you want to be even more than just a subscriber, you want to be a member of this channel, there's a button right below that said join. Click on it and choose your tier. Okay, thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.